how you can get monetized if you're living in an ineligible country, but some ideas they're bringing doesn't work, except this one I'm about to tell you. Believe me, you can, if you try it, you might not succeed getting monetized on Facebook again. So this is just the only way out. And before then, if you're new to my channel, please, you can subscribe. You can hit the subscribe button. I've been away for some months, but now I'm back. Okay, so that we can do it, so that I can help you out on tips on how to grow your pages, because I'm into Facebook page growing. I grow Facebook pages. I've helped a lot of people grow their pages, and I'm currently running some pages that are doing well. Okay, so today I will tell you how to, the way out if you're living in ineligible country. As we all know, African countries are not eligible for Facebook monetization, except South Africa. But before the disclaimer, I'm not working for Facebook. I'm not one of their staff, but the information I'm passing out is according to the multiple information I've gathered from different platforms, and I've tried and it's proven legal and it's working. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's jump into the real topic of the day. So if you're living in ineligible country and you want to get monetized, there's no way you can get monetized except you make somebody that is living in eligible country an admin. I repeat, there is no how you can get monetized unless, on Facebook, unless you get somebody that is living in eligible countries like any European country, America. So they are eligible. Okay, so you can get one trusted person. One trusted person, not just any person, because you can get somebody that can log you out. When you make him admin and start earning, he or she might log you out and take 100% access and ownership of that page. So to avoid the story that touches the heart, you can get somebody that you trusted, either brother, sister, friend, relative, business partner, neighbor, whatever. You can get, so long as the person, you trusted the person and the person is living in an eligible country, the person can be your admin and then start running it for you. You get monetized immediately. A lot of people say that you should use VPN, but it's very dangerous to use VPN. What if you forgot and you logged in? Maybe you forget you are using VPN and you logged in without VPN. The location will immediately alert to Facebook stars. They will know that you are not living in eligible country, and you get restricted. So to avoid those stories that touches the heart, it's good you get an admin. Don't even try to risk using your VPN. It might end in tears. Okay, it takes extra care for somebody to be able to do that. Okay, and some people saying that Nigeria is eligible for stars monetization. Some people have tried it and their monetization gets stopped, like Facebook automatically stopped it. So Nigeria is not eligible for either stars, you can prove me wrong, either stars or any monetization on Facebook. And so it's the same with other African countries except South Africa, according to my inquiries. Okay, so for you to be in a sense, get a trusted somebody. There are some people have been asking me, can I provide somebody that can monetize for them? But my answer to that question is no, I can't, because it has to do with trust. Okay, there are agents, in social media. You can get them on Instagram, you can get them on Facebook, even on YouTube here. You can get them, people that they are agents. They are only in the business of monetizing people that are living in ineligible country. So you can look out for them, make inquiries, go search for them and get them so that I can help you out. But I cannot help you out because it has to go with trust. Maybe tomorrow if something happen, you get me arrested, or you try to to spoil my name on social media, whereas I was just trying to help. So those agents, you get them, they take a particular percentage of the monetization, or maybe according to your agreement with the person, but you have to, those people have to be on payroll. They are on payroll. Anybody that is an agent that is handling your page, you have to be paying that person. It's not just free. They don't do it free. So you can get one of them. Is business. So long as you're getting money, it's business than not being monetized. Or another suggestion is you can also wait. Hopefully, Meta will start monetizing Facebook of those people of those ineligible countries. Hopefully, they are working on it. According to the information I have, they will come up with monetizing some countries that are ineligible. Okay? So, like I said before, for you to get monetized if you are living in ineligible country is for you to get an admin that is living in an eligible country, so that the person will be handling your stuffs. The person will put his own payout details, like payment details, his tax, whatever, and then when the person cash out, the person now will transfer it to your own account. You don't have to put your own local account. Okay? And if you want to post, for you to know that it's a full-time business, you cannot also post if you are living in an eligible country and you have somebody, an admin living in an eligible country. You cannot, as an admin, you cannot be posting. It depends, that person is the person to make your post. So all you have to do is write your whatever you're about to post, your video or whatever. Your write-ups, everything you want to be posted there, and send to the person, and the person will, by him or herself, post it for you. Okay, so it's a kind of full-time job. It's not what you can just get somebody that is busy or that cannot run it for you, to handle it for you. The person will get bored and and stop, or maybe abandon your page. So for me, I love business. I get an admin, I pay. We agree on a particular percentage. Look at how many percentage will be taken, and then we call it a business. Okay, so this is the only way you can get monetized. If you have any question, you can drop it at the comment section. Okay, so that I can attend to it. As I told you before, I'm now full-time on this. Okay, I'm here to help you out anywhere you're getting it tough. Okay, so like I said before, you can support me. You can hit the subscribe button, keep it coming, drop your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my